Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the world of royal red shrimp, a truly special seafood experience. These deepwater gems boast an incredible, sweet, lobster-like flavor and a wonderfully tender texture, making them a premium choice. Unlike other shrimp, their vibrant red color is natural, even when raw. We'll show you exactly how to prepare them to preserve their exquisite taste and delicate bite. Get ready for a delicious adventure. The first step to perfection is proper thawing. For best results, let your royal red shrimp thaw slowly in the refrigerator overnight. If you're short on time, a quick cold water bath works wonders too. While they are often sold pre-cleaned, a quick check for deveining is always a good idea, though many enjoy them shell-on for added flavor. This careful preparation ensures they cook beautifully and taste amazing. Royal red shrimp cook incredibly fast, so speed is your secret weapon. Overcooking them is the biggest mistake you can make, turning their tender flesh rubbery. Sautéing them in a hot pan, a quick grill, or even a brief boil are fantastic options. Watch carefully for that telltale opaque color, which usually means they are perfectly done in just 2 to 3 minutes. This light touch ensures maximum tenderness and flavor. Let's whip up a classic, garlic butter royal red shrimp. It's incredibly simple and absolutely delicious. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a hot skillet over medium-high heat. Add a couple of minced garlic cloves and let them sizzle for about 30 seconds. Then, toss in your thawed shrimp, cooking for just 1 to 2 minutes per side until they turn that beautiful opaque pink. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon. Once cooked, your royal red shrimp are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them piping hot right away to savor their peak flavor and delicate texture. They are incredibly versatile, pairing beautifully with a warm, crusty baguette for dipping in the butter, or tossed with pasta for a quick gourmet meal. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of your favorite hot sauce can elevate the experience even further. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.